morning.
Good morning.
To the front of you, I am going to discuss with her something important of daily work, and I will have to discuss two more any other kinds of the thing with her. But before discussing of any kinds of the thing, just I am going to ask her name. You tell me what is your name?
My name is Surika.
Okay, great. In which class do you read, Suri?
Ninth class.
You are reading ninth class. Okay. Now, which class have you come to tagging here? Now you have reached here. Then which class have you come here for tagging?
So 10th class.
Means I am not telling of you about of your class. I am asking of you here. Which class have you come here for tagging? Math, English, science.
So English.
Okay. Means you have come here for tagging of English class. Would you like to English?
Yes, sir.
Great. But if I will ask of you any kinds of things related from the part of English, can you answer to me on that?
Yes, sir.
Without hesitations, you will have to tell to me on that. Understanding?
Yes.
You will not have to humble, you will not have to muddle to anywhere, and you will not have to speak of any kinds of the thing like of only. You will have to speak exactly, bluntly, and extensively. You will have to have each kinds of the sentences which you want to speak to me. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Can you discuss?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, first you introduce to what's time. Say.
Good morning, all of you. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Suri Khatun. I am basically from Jungla Giridih, but currently I stay in Jungla. I read 9th class from SS Tara. I am pursuing 10th class course. I belong to a extreme hardworking and hard disciplined person. My short-term goal is to get job and long-term goal is to teaching. My hobbies and singing. That all. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Great. But do you know about of any daily work sentences? Whatever work you have done study about that, can you confide the front of this all friend?
Yes.
Okay, let's do take that all.
Yesterday I got up in the morning at 4 o'clock. Again I came down from the bed.
It was to tell to me how did you come down from the bed?
Yes.
Suppose that sometimes you understand of this. This is your bed. Okay.
Yes.
Then how did you come down? Can you show me of that doing two activities? How did you come down? Okay, you give a body expression and you give a body language. Understand? You came down from the bed.
Yes.
You go down. Yeah. You came down from the bed. After that, what did you do?
I moved on.
Okay, you moved one.
Yes.
After that, where did you reach?
Sir, I went home.
Very good. Again, you come on the stage. Okay. You went to the door. After going to door, what did you do, Moise?
You opened the door.
You opened the door. After opening the door, where did you go?
Went to hands-on.
You went to hand pump. Okay. Going to hand pumps. What did you do more? Is
So I took brush and Colgate.
you took brush and Colgate. Okay. After taking off brush and Colgate, what did you do more there?
So I took Colgate in brush. I brushed, but
Okay, you brushed.
Yes.
How many times did you brush?
so 5 minutes.
Okay, you brushed 5 minutes of your teeth. After brushing, what did you do more?
So I washed mouth, hands, and legs.
Okay, you washed mouth, hand and leg. But I think you did not wash off your brush.
Yes, sir.
You washed or no?
Yes,
Also, you washed brush.
yes, sir.
Great. Okay, after washing a brush, where did you go?
So I went to room.
Okay, you went in room. Going in room, what did you do more?
So I become ready for tuition.
Okay, you became ready for tuition. After becoming ready for tuitions, what did you do?
So I took copy and
Okay, you took copy and
book.
book. Okay, please you speak louder. Understanding? Okay, and please you come here. Yeah, understood. When you took copy, book and pen. After taking of that, what did you do? What did you do more?
I went to door. I opened the door and I came out from the door.
Yeah.
Again I went to cycle.
Okay, you went to cycle.
Yes.
Okay, after going to bicycle, what did you do?
So I
You drop.
yes, sir.
You drop cycle.
Yes.
Okay, means you rode one cycle. Okay, after riding cycle, you reached where?
I went to tuition.
Okay, you went to tuition. How many hours did you read there?
1 hour.
1 hour. After reading 1 hour, where did you go more is?
So I went to tuition.
Okay, again you went to tuition.
Yes, sir.
After going in next tuitions, how many hours did you read there?
1 hour.
1 hour. Okay, after reading in that place, where did you go?
Sir, I went to home.
Okay, you went to house again. Okay, going to home, what did you do?
So I
At first, you may have stood up for cycle,
yes, sir.
and after standing cycle, what did you do more there?
I opened the door and came in the room.
Okay, you opened the door and came in the room. Okay, coming in room, what did you do?
So
Okay, you kept.
yes, I
You
kept copy, book and pen.
Okay, where did you keep copy, pen, book?
Table.
On the table. Okay, on a study table.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After keeping of that book, copy and pens on the table, on the study table, what did you do more there?
So I went to hand pump.
Okay.
I
You
washed
went.
hand and legs.
Okay. You washed up for hand and
Legs.
dress
Legs.
leg. Okay. After washing,
So I went to room.
kitchen. No, you went to room.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. I become ready for a school.
Okay. You became ready for a school, but I think you did not take breakfast.
Yes, sir.
You took breakfast.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I went to kitchen room. I took breakfast and I
Okay. In breakfast, what did you take?
so bread and vegetable.
Okay, means it was made there chapati and vegetable. Okay, what is your favorite vegetable? Potato.
Yes, sir.
It is favorite really. Okay, most of the people so favorite vegetable so they keep potato vegetable. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and after taking breakfast, you went to school.
Yes, sir.
Okay, after going to school, how many hours did you study there?
Took 4 hours.
You studied 4 hours there.
Yes.
Okay, after reading 4 hours, when did you come back from school to home? When did you come back from school to home?
Yes, sir.
When did you go to home from school?
Sir, 1 hour.
Mean 1 o'clock.
Yes, 1
1 hour, no? Means you say, sir, I came back to home from school about 1 o'clock. Okay. After coming to homes 1 o'clock, what did you do more?
So I went to hand pump. I washed it.
Okay, again you washed hand and
Legs.
hand, leg, and means something you wash there.
Yes.
Wait, means you have not problem for describing of daily work sentences. You can say to correct of that whole past method. If anyone who will ask of you of the present method, can you explain of that?
Yes.
May I ask of you any sentence? Can you answer to me?
Yes.
Okay, मैं घर जाता हूँ. मैं घर जाता हूँ. Yeah. मैं घर जाता हूँ. Yeah, I'm asking of you the sentence in your present, okay, and you will have to answer to me present. H, I will ask of you answer questions, so you will have to answer to me, okay? Okay, मैं घर जाता हूँ.
I go to house.
Great, I go to house. Okay, मैं घर जा रहा हूँ.
I am go to house.
मैं घर जा रहा हूँ. My work has not been done. My work is imperfect now. Understanding about?
Yes, sir. I am go to house.
I am going to house, but there is problem for using of before. I am telling of you when I ask of you any such kinds of the questions in that moment, you have need to listen carefully and you should answer to me very heedfully. Understanding or not? You do not keep up your minds here and there. If you keep up your minds passive, you will not be able to answer correct of any question. Understanding or not? Great. Means you have told to correct everything. So you don't have any problem for explaining of any delivery sentences in English. You are very nice and you have performed very splendid today. I became very happy on you. And like this, all of the students. So I will advise if anyone who is getting to initiative for talking of any kinds of a thing on this stage coming. First, I would like to tell of the every student you keep up your confidence to very well. You do not speak of any kinds of the things like of higgledy-piggledy. When you are getting opportunity, at that times you think that what I have to speak, what I have not to speak. These kinds of the matter, if all of you will keep in the mind, then it will not come up any error while speaking. And if you think of that, if I will go on the stage and if I will want to talk on any topic and suddenly it will come up any error and I will be muddled, then really you will be muddled. You will not have to keep up like this suspense inside of the minds. Means so I would be able to speak or not, I would be able to express of every kind of the sentences or not. These kinds of the hesitations you will not have to keep inside of the heart. Understanding? You have to speak with very frankly the front of an student. Understanding? Then your confidence level will be enhanced. Understanding? Okay. In this video, today it's so far, but again I will read it in my next video. In that video, I will tell a few more specific points about of English related points. Till then, thank you. Bye.